Hi, John. How are you?
Hi, Mary. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What are you doing today?
I am practicing my English. I want to speak English like a native.
That's a great goal. How are you practicing?
I am reading books, watching movies, and talking to friends in English. Do you have any tips?
Yes, try to speak English every day and learn new words. Do you have a favorite book or movie in English?
Yes, I like reading Harry Potter and watching Friends. They are very interesting. Do you think it will help?
Yes, those are great choices. Listening to native speakers is very helpful. Do you practice speaking with anyone?
Yes, I talk to my friends and sometimes to my teacher. Do you think I should join an English club?
Yes, joining an English club is a good idea. You can practice speaking and meet new people. Do you write in English too?
Yes, I write in my journal every day. It helps me improve my writing skills. Do you have any other tips?
Try to think in English and not translate from your native language. It will make speaking easier. Do you listen to English music?
Yes, I listen to English songs and sing along. It is fun and helps with pronunciation. Do you think I should travel to an English speaking country?
Yes, if you can, traveling is a great way to practice. You will be surrounded by English. Have you ever traveled to an English-speaking country?
No, I haven't, but I would like to visit the USA or the UK. Do you think it will be hard?
It might be a little hard at first, but it will get easier with practice. You will learn a lot. Do you watch English news or shows?
Yes, I watch English news and sometimes cartoons. They are easier to understand. Do you think it is enough?
Yes, that's a good start. Keep practicing every day and don't be afraid to make mistakes. We can practice together if you want.
Thank you, Mary. That would be great. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome, John. Let's meet and practice more often.
Yes, let's do that. I have to go now. See you later, Mary.
See you, John. Have a great day.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
Hi, Mike. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What are you doing today?
I need to buy some groceries, but I forgot my wallet at home. Can you lend me some dollars?
Sure, I can help. How much do you need?
I need $20. I will pay you back tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yes, that's okay. Here you go.
Thank you so much, Mike. You're very kind. Do you need anything from the store?
No, I'm good, but thanks for asking. Do you often go shopping?
Yes, I go shopping every week. Do you?
Yes, I usually go on weekends. What do you need to buy?
I need to buy some vegetables, milk, and bread. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking. I often cook dinner at home. Do you cook?
Yes, I love cooking. It's very relaxing. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like to cook pasta. It's easy and delicious. What about you?
I like to cook stir fry. It's healthy and tasty. Do you need the money back tomorrow?
No rush. You can pay me back whenever it's convenient for you. Do you live far from here?
No, I live nearby. It's about a 10-minute walk. Do you live close?
Yes, I live a few blocks away. It's a nice neighborhood. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's very peaceful. I like the park and the friendly people. Thank you again for lending me the money.
You're welcome, Anna. It's no problem at all. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thank you, Mike. I have to go to the store now. See you later.
See you, Anna. Have a great day. Hi, Jack. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. I have something to tell you. I am in love with her.
Really? That's great. Who is she?
Her name is Emily. She is in our class. Do you know her?
Yes, I know Emily. She is very nice. How long have you been in love with her?
For a few months now. She is very kind and beautiful. Do you think she likes me?
Yes, I think she does. She always talks to you. Have you told her how you feel?
Not yet. I am a little nervous. What should I do?
You should tell her. She might feel the same way. Do you want me to help?
Yes, that would be great. What should I say to her?
Just be honest and tell her how you feel. Do you want to practice with me?
Yes, that's a good idea. Okay, I will say, "Hi Emily, I really like you. I am in love with you." How does that sound?
That sounds perfect. Just be confident. When do you want to tell her?
Maybe tomorrow after class. Do you think that's a good time?
Yes, that's a good time. I will be there for support. Do you want to write her a note?
Maybe. It could be a good idea. Do you think she will be surprised?
Maybe a little, but I think she will be happy. Do you know what her favorite things are?
Yes, she likes reading and playing tennis. Do you think I should mention that?
Yes, you can talk about things she likes. It will make the conversation easier. Do you feel better now?
Yes, I feel more confident. Thank you for your help, Jack. You are a great friend.
You're welcome, Tom. I am sure everything will go well. We should celebrate after you tell her.
Yes, that sounds like a great idea. Let's do that.
Okay, I have to go now. See you later, Tom.
See you, Jack. Have a great day. Hi, Emma. How are you?
Hi, Jack. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thanks. What are you doing today?
Just taking a walk and thinking. I used to love him, but not anymore.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Who are you talking about?
I am talking about Tom. We were together for a while. Do you remember him?
Yes, I remember Tom. What happened?
We grew apart. We don't have the same interests anymore. Do you think that happens a lot?
Yes, sometimes people change and grow apart. It's normal. Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I am okay. It was hard at first, but now I feel better. Do you think it was the right decision?
Yes, if you are happier now, then it was the right decision. It's important to be happy. Do you still talk to him?
No, we don't talk much anymore. It's better this way. Do you have any advice for moving on?
Yes, focus on yourself and do things you enjoy. Spend time with friends and family. Do you have any plans for today?
Yes, I am meeting Sarah for coffee later. She always makes me laugh. Do you want to join us?
Maybe another time. I have some work to do today. Do you like spending time with Sarah?
Yes, she is a great friend. We have a lot of fun together. What about you? What are you doing today?
I am going to the gym and then working on a project. Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, I like exercising. It helps me feel better. Do you go to the gym often?
Yes, I try to go 3 times a week. It's good for my health. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading and painting. They help me relax. What about you?
I like playing guitar and watching movies. It's a good way to unwind. We should hang out sometime.
Yes, that would be nice. Let's plan something soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Emma.
See you, Jack. Have a great day.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
Hi, Jake. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. Are you going to the school reunion?
Yes, I am. It has been 10 years since we finished school. Are you going?
Yes, I am going too. I am very excited to see everyone. When is the meeting?
It is this Saturday at 6 p.m. Where is the reunion?
It is at our old school. Do you remember where it is?
Yes, I remember. I have good memories of our school. Are you bringing anything?
Yes, I am bringing some old photos. What about you?
I am bringing a cake. Do you think our teachers will be there?
Yes, I think some teachers will come. It will be nice to see them. Who are you excited to see?
I am excited to see all my old friends. What about you?
I am excited to see everyone too. Do you keep in touch with any classmates?
Yes, I talk to Sarah and Tom sometimes. Do you keep in touch with anyone?
Yes, I talked to Lisa and Mark. They are coming to the reunion too. What are you going to wear?
I am going to wear a nice dress. What about you?
I am going to wear a shirt and jeans. Do you think there will be music and dancing?
Yes, I think so. It will be like a party. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing. It will be fun. Do you remember any school events?
Yes, I remember the school plays and sports days. Do you remember any events?
Yes, I remember the science fair and the talent show. We had a lot of fun. Are you nervous about the reunion?
A little, but mostly I am excited. Are you nervous?
Yes, a little, but I think it will be a great time. We should sit together at the reunion.
Yes, let's do that. I have to go now. See you at the reunion, Jake.
See you, Emma. Have a great day.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!